Welcome to day 2 of MindGarden's Intro to Meditation course. Sit comfortably, place your hands on your lap, and close your eyes. Mindfulness is simple. In fact, it's so simple that our mind may try to convince us that nothing is happening, or that we're better off doing something else. This happens to countless people as they try to start a mindfulness practice. It happened to me when I first started practicing, and it will probably happen to you too. It's all good. Our mind has a hard time accepting the simplicity of meditation, and it does its very best to convince us that we're wasting our time, or maybe it tells us that meditation just isn't for us. The sad thing is, most people will listen to that voice, but let's think about the function of our mind for just a moment. Our mind has been conditioned for thousands of years to help us survive, not to make us feel good. But times have changed, and I don't think you'll have to worry about being chased by a lion today. Our mind is here to solve problems and figure things out. Because of this, it's always looking for a problem to fix, even when there are none. And this creates a constant state of unease within us that has just become normal for so many people. So for this practice, keep your eyes closed and relax into your body. As you breathe in, say silently to yourself, "Simple moment." And as you breathe out, say silently to yourself, "Wonderful moment." As you say these words, I want you to really feel them with each breath you take. Go deeper with each breath and really feel the beauty of how simple this moment is, of how simple life can be, even if it's just for a few moments, and just enjoy each breath. Simplicity is a beautiful gift that mindfulness helps us cultivate. So accept the simplicity of your mindfulness practice, and maybe even look at other aspects of your life that you may want to simplify. When the voice in your head starts to create all sorts of problems that don't exist right now, come back to the simplicity of this moment and remind yourself that right here, right now, everything is okay. And don't mistake the simplicity of our practices together for ineffectiveness. Throughout your meditation journey, your mind will tell you many things to get you off your path. If you remember this, you'll be ready to keep going, regardless of what the mind tells you. You may not feel much different after one day or 1 week of practice, but if you keep going, you'll see for yourself what it means to live in meditation. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Bring this meditation with you into the rest of your day and enjoy the simplicity of each moment. Great job today. I'll see you tomorrow.